Let's talk about why randomization is such a big deal in clinical trials. At its core, randomization helps make sure that the groups being compared, say, those getting a new treatment versus those getting standard care, are as similar as possible right from the start. This way, if there are differences in outcomes, we can be much more confident that it's because of the treatment itself, not some other hidden factor. There are a few different ways researchers can go about randomizing participants. First up is simple randomization. Think of this like flipping a coin or using a computer program to assign people to groups. It's easy and straightforward, but especially in smaller studies, you might end up with uneven group sizes just by chance. Next is block randomization. Here, participants are grouped into blocks, say groups of 4 or 6, and within each block, equal numbers are assigned to each treatment group. This method helps keep the groups balanced throughout the study, which is really helpful if people are joining over time. Then there's stratified randomization. Sometimes certain characteristics, like age or how severe someone's illness is, could affect the results. With this method, participants are first sorted into categories based on these key factors, and then randomization happens within each category. This ensures both groups are similar in terms of those important characteristics. Cluster randomization takes a different approach. Instead of randomizing individuals, entire groups, like clinics, schools, or communities, are assigned to different treatments. This is useful when it's hard to treat people individually or when the intervention is meant for a whole group. Finally, there's adaptive randomization. This is a more flexible approach where the way people are assigned to groups can change as the trial goes on, often to keep things balanced or to respond to new information. It's a bit more complicated, but it can make trials more efficient and even more ethical in some situations. Choosing the right randomization method is crucial for keeping a study fair and trustworthy. And it's just as important for researchers to clearly explain what they did so others can understand and trust the results. In the end, good randomization is all about making sure the evidence we get from clinical trials is solid and reliable.